In today's episode, we are going to talk about tiny grain with big protein. What is this grain? How do you cook it? Is it gluten-free? All these questions will be answered in today's episode. So let's get started with tiny grain, big protein, the story of Teff. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to press that subscribe button. And if you have subscribed, you are awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we'll talk about Teff, a tiny grain with amazing benefits. You might be wondering, what is Teff? How do you cook it? Is it gluten-free? Make sure to watch the whole episode to know more. And don't forget to like and share. Teff is one of the oldest domesticated crops with origins dating back to 4000 BC in Ethiopia. This gluten-free grain is packed with nutrients and can easily replace rice and wheat. It has a nutty flavor and chewy texture, making it perfect for porridge or breads. Let's explore the origin, benefits, nutrition facts, and most importantly, how to cook teff. Teff is an ancient grain believed to have originated in Ethiopia. Its history dates back thousands of years, and it holds cultural significance in Ethiopian cuisine. Traditionally, it was primarily grown in the Ethiopian highlands, but now it's cultivated throughout Africa and other parts of the world, including Asia and North America. In Ethiopia, it's known as the injera. A spongy flatbread made from teff flour is a staple of Ethiopian cuisine. One of the main reasons behind the popularity of teff is its unique shape. Unlike other grains, teff grains are tiny, roughly the size of poppy seeds. These little seeds come in different colors ranging from gray and brown to white and yellow. But don't be fooled by their size because they are packed with tons of nutrients and fiber. Despite its small size, teff grain offers a range of health benefits. Let's take a look at some of them. First, teff is a great source of plant-based protein. A 1-cup serving of cooked teff provides approximately 26 grams of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and supporting overall growth and development. It is particularly high in lysine, an amino acid that is often lacking in other plant-based protein sources such as rice and beans. For people following a vegan or vegetarian diet, teff can be a valuable addition to ensure adequate protein intake. Additionally, teff contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for a complete protein, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Next, teff is rich in complex carbohydrates, providing a sustained source of energy. Its low glycemic index means that it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it suitable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Complex carbs are important for energy, brain function, and digestion. And since they digest slowly, you won't experience sudden energy spikes and crashes. Third, teff is packed with dietary fiber. About 2 cups of teff contains approximately 13 grams of dietary fiber, which is around half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fiber is crucial for maintaining digestive health, preventing constipation, and promoting a feeling of fullness during meals. Adequate fiber intake can also help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Now let's move on to some important nutrients in teff. Firstly, iron. Iron plays a vital role in transporting oxygen throughout the body. Since our body cannot produce iron, it's important to obtain it through our diet. 1 cup of teff provides approximately 27% of the recommended daily iron intake, making it a good source for those who may be deficient in this essential mineral. Regular consumption of teff can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and support healthy blood circulation. Another important nutrient in teff is calcium. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also plays a role in muscle function, nerve impulse transmission, and blood clotting. 1 cup of cooked teff contains approximately 19% of the recommended daily intake of calcium. Incorporating Teff into your diet can contribute to maintaining optimal bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and ensuring proper functioning of your muscular-skeletal system. Moving on to vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, skin health, and immune function. Teff is a good source of vitamin A, providing approximately 20% of the recommended daily intake per cup. Consuming Teff regularly can help support healthy vision, promote healthy skin, and strengthen the immune system against infections and diseases. Lastly, let's discuss the B vitamins in Teff. B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, are essential for energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism. Teff is a good source of these B vitamins, providing a significant portion of the recommended daily intake. The B vitamins in Teff play a vital role in converting food into energy, supporting cognitive function, and maintaining overall cellular health. So now you know why Teff is so nutritious. Let's move on to see how to cook Teff. Before cooking, it's important to sort through the Teff to remove any debris or stones. Rinse the Teff grains gently under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. This will ensure that your Teff is clean and ready to cook. Here are two popular methods to cook Teff. The first method is to cook Teff similar to how you would cook rice. To cook 1 cup of Teff, add the rinsed Teff to a saucepan along with 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the Teff is tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, fluff the Teff with a fork and serve it as a side dish. You can also use cooked Teff to make other dishes like salads or as a breakfast porridge. Second method, the absorbing method. This method is great for those who prefer a softer and more porridge-like consistency. In this method, you will need 1 cup of Teff and 1 1/2 cups of water. Add both ingredients to a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Cover the saucepan and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the Teff absorb the water for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. After the absorption period, fluff the Teff with a fork and serve. This method results in a creamy and slightly thicker porridge. You can enjoy it as it is or add additional ingredients like milk or honey for extra flavor and nutrition. Now, let's talk about a common question. Is Teff gluten-free? Yes, Teff is naturally gluten-free. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and it's not present in Teff. This makes it suitable for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity who are looking for alternative grains in their diet. Here are some ideas to use Teff. Teff can be used in various recipes and dishes. One popular way is to make injera, a traditional Ethiopian flatbread. Injera is made from Teff flour and has a slightly sour taste and a spongy texture. It's often served with stews, curries, and other Ethiopian dishes. Another way to use Teff is to make Teff porridge. This is a breakfast dish that can be prepared by cooking Teff grains in water or milk. You can add fruits, nuts, or sweeteners to enhance the flavor. Additionally, Teff can be used to make Teff bread. By combining Teff flour with water, yeast, and other ingredients, you can create a nutritious and gluten-free bread. Teff can also be added to salads for extra protein and fiber. You can toss cooked Teff with your favorite salad ingredients and dressing for a nutritious meal. Lastly, Teff can be used as a side dish. When you want a healthier alternative to rice or pasta, you can cook Teff and serve it as a side dish alongside your main course. And that's a wrap for today's episode on Teff. We hope you enjoyed learning about this tiny grain with amazing benefits. Don't forget to like this video for more informative content on health and nutrition. Stay healthy, and see you in the next episode.